Carmona Garden Suites by Swiss Bell Hotel, umpisa na ng construction, simbolo ng maayos at progresibong Carmona, Cavite. Ginanap January 20, ganap na alas 12 ng tanghali ang site blessing, laying of capsule and groundbreaking ng Carmona Garden Suites Hotel na nasa compound ng Global Technopark Carmona, Cavite. Ito ang kauna-unahang international hotel sa Carmona at simbolo ito ng mas magandang ekonomiya at progresibong Cavite. Inaasahan na ang construction ng kauna-unahang luxury hotel sa Carmona ay tatagal ng 2 taon. Ang naturang seremonya ay pinangunahan ni Consul General Philip Chen na siyang President and CEO ng First Global Conglomerates.
So the project is going, and I'm proud to report to our friend we were able to bring this property become one of the landmark of Carmona. This one is not only a business, but it brings the community together, and this is a part of supporting our government, our society for continue to grow our economy. This is our commitment since on a day in Philippines 52 years ago. This is my commitment to Philippines. I love this land. I live here. I'm getting old here, and I will continue to contribute whatever part I can.
Samantala, ang Swiss Bell Hotel International ang siyang partner para sa development and management na siyang patunay na kalidad at international standard ang service at experience.
Today is not just the start of construction, it is the start of a story we will write together, a long-term partnership built on trust, shared vision, and a mutual commitment of excellence. On behalf of Swiss Bell Hotel International, I express our sincere appreciation to First Global Conglomerates. Thank you for your confidence in our brand and for choosing us to build this with us. We don't take partnerships lightly. We value them, we protect them, and we work hard to earn that trust every day and at every stage of the journey. In Swiss Bell Hotel, we carry a culture of passion and professionalism. When you partner with us, we take the journey with you, because in projects like this, success is never solo. It is shared, and I genuinely believe that when we fly together through every phase, every decision, and every finish line.
Dumalo rin sa pagtitipon si 5th District Representative Congressman Roy Loyola at binigyan diin na itong proyektong ito sa kanyang distrito ay simbolo ng progreso at oportunidad sa kanyang nasasakupan. Anya, ito ay magbibigay ng dagdag na trabaho at oportunidad sa mga mamamayan ng Carmona.
The groundbreaking ceremony of the Garden Suite, which is not only about construction. It is symbolic, it's a symbol of progress, confidence, and opportunity. This project is a testament of the growing potential of the city of Carmona as a center of business, tourism, and investment. This garden suite will definitely provide employments, provide jobs, support our local locators or enterprise, and will be the home of our expat and visitors who will experience the warmth and hospitality of the people of Carmona. This garden suite will be the best hotel ever established in the south of Metro Manila.
Nagsilbi ring witness sina Taiwan ROC Representative to the Philippines, Wallace Min Gancho, Ms. Marites Castro na siyang Regional Director ng Department of Tourism Region 4A, Consul Michael Ang ng Jordan, former Senator Gregorio Honasan, MECO Director Wilson Tecson at Yusek Gani Makatoman, Full support din ang mga officers at director maging ang staff ng Global Group of Companies, Swiss Bell Hotel Team, and Rencom Contractors.